Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win, y'all. Where y'all been at on this one? Left lane won that one. Holding several, he's holding 8,000. And the start, getting the first breaks out, 7. Jake from the state just got in, y'all. Hey, Jake, check out my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing, man. Got it on 1080p. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. TikTok. Jake from state. My YouTube channel is Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing. I got it in 1080p on live. You can come check it out. You know, you only see half the car on here on TikTok. You could at least see the whole car on YouTube. Hey, Flipper Z. We got Felipa. Oh, okay. Hey, Felipa. Let me know when you get over there. Hey, Felipa. Let me see where Felipa is, y'all. What's up with it, high voltage and performance? Hey, appreciate you sharing that, Matteo. What's up with it, Jose? Jose, you on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's going down like James Brown. Appreciate that shirt, Cookie the Prince, Jose. Appreciate that follow. David, appreciate that follow. Blake, appreciate the share. Attention in the bits. dragster. Okay. Appreciate that Army Mercelavic. Where that's from? That's an Australian name. Mercelavic. Appreciate that, Nathan. Vincent, yeah, we race late over here, man. We ain't got no curfew. We ain't bothering nobody. Dustin, we in Ferris, Texas at Xtreme, close to Dallas, Texas. Norman, appreciate you sharing that, Norman. We got Norman in the building, y'all. Right lane for the win with a 466 at 146. He did his thing, y'all.
Final round, or next round down, 461 with an 8.
I think they got one more round, y'all.
9 miles an hour.
Who was that shaky mess for sharing the live? Hey, man, I appreciate people on TikTok. Y'all share the live, man. I got a YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow it. It got about 17,000 followers. I'm trying to get to 20. I'm trying to get to the 20.